When is a cover and call not a good idea? Well, a couple of weeks ago, I decided to swap out my Altria for Realty Income, ticker symbol O. I got it somewhere down in the $50 range. So I missed the bottom, but I really wanted to kind of switch where I was going with this. So I did what I normally do. I immediately sold a covered call against it, and the stock just ran up past that. I ended up buying it back, taking my loss and learning my lesson. What I didn't do is really analyze this chart before I sold that covered call. O really has a baseline somewhere in here, and the pandemic has forced it down here artificially. So I won't start selling covered calls against that until we get up around the 75 range. So look at your charts and see if a covered call makes sense. If the stock's likely to run, don't waste your time and money with covered calls. Just let it run up until it gets to its baseline. Again, lesson learned, and I hope that saves you some headaches too. Thanks and good evening.